Assalamu alaikum. Good noon, cadets. So today we'll focus on computer networking. Computer is very essential device which is help us in every aspect of life. So we will learn how computer can communicate from one computer to another computer by networking. So today's topics will be about computer networking. So as a human, we share our views, thoughts to other persons. So this will help to pass my ideas to another person to person. Just like that, computer, there is an option so that you can work on file and that should be passed to another computers. So how it works? To know about these things, we will focus on some classification. There are few classifications that computer networking are divided. So first of all, there are private network and the public network. So private network is called that network that don't have the access of internet. So without internet connectivity, if I connected my all computers in my campus and share my videos, share my informations to one computer to another computer, this is called a private network. And what is public network? Public network is called the internet. So if I share my videos, my data to the internet, then this is called the public networking. So we learn that first of all, computer network is classified by private network and the public network. So these two type of network based on our activities. So if we have the access on internet, so if anyone can see my information over internet, so this is called the public network. And if I want to bound my sharing inside my network, just like a campus, I don't want to pass my shares like data, videos, movies to internet, then we have to implement in private network. So based on sharing activities, there are three classifications of networking based on sharing. What are they? One is peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer network. So peer-to-peer network means there is no centralized control on it. The computer over network, whatever it is, maybe private or public, whatever, it's not depend on the size. So if computer passes its data to another computer, so this is called the peer-to-peer computer. So all the computers have same configuration, have same activities, so they have passed their information to another computer. This is called peer-to-peer network. The example of peer-to-peer network is torrent. So in torrent technology, so computers from around the world share their videos, informations to another computer. So Based on a specialized sharing system, this is called client-server model. What is client-server model? Client-server model is that if a dedicated computer is reserved for serving purpose only, just like website. So if I want to hit www.yahoo.com or www.google.com, so Google, Yahoo, all the service have a server. What is server? Server is a high-end computer which is very reliable and which is supposed to be served 24 hours in 7 days in a week. So all the times it needs to be a standby. And what is client? The computer or the mobile who takes services from the server is called the client. So client is general purpose computer, but the server is the special purpose computer. Its price is higher enough than the client. So we know the peer-to-peer computer, client-server computer. What is the difference between peer-to-peer and client-server? To establish a client-server, the server requires a high amount of money to establish it. But the advantage is that whenever a client tries to get information from a server, the server is instantly replied to the client. So any part of from the world, any part of the sites, so anyone can knock the server and he can get the information there and there. But peer-to-peer, there is same type of computer, but to establish the communication, both computer should be online at the same time. Otherwise, it is not possible. And there is another one. This is hybrid computer. So what is the hybrid networking? Hybrid networking is the combination of peer-to-peer and a client-server network. So if we have a server and if it has the ability to serve as peer-to-peer as well as the client server, this is called the hybrid networking. So now we have known about these things, that based on network, private network and public network, sharing, based on sharing, we have three kind of networking: peer-to-peer, client server and hybrid. And there are another type of networking, so which is based on the area. So this is called local area. This is based on area, which is known as LAN, local area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. WAN, wide area network. So this is based on area. So if we need a fewer connectivity between computers, then we will implement the LAN. LAN is implemented in a building or in a lab or in a house. So it is just a small areas. Its range is up to 100 meters. There is another network which is called as MAN. LAN means the local area network. Local area network. And the MAN is based on metropolitan area network. So what is MAN? The service we are getting inside a metropolitan area is called the MAN. So what is the example? This example may be for this line, because a dish line is based on a town, on the metropolitan area. So it may be the MAN. It based on the, also there is another example. If we have a file sharing server which is based on the ISP. And there is another one, is WAN, wide area network. Sometimes it's called the internet. So one is called wide area network. So basically one is based on the LAN. If we cumulatively connected lot of LANs together, it is make one. So this is based on the area. So LAN, MAN and WAN. The benefit of WAN is that we can connect it to any portion of computers in any part of the world to another computers. So this class is demonstrate and focus on in computer networking, as we are knowing that things, the area, the share, based on the area, based on sharing and based on connectivities. So thank you everybody. Hopefully you will know this networking practice clearly. Thank you.